So the first thing I'll show you how to do is I'll show you how to log into Marketing Cloud. So there's a couple ways you can log into Marketing Cloud, and I'll show you both ways. First way to log into Marketing Cloud is just type in Marketing Cloud Login in your internet browser and click Enter. And you can click where it says members.exacttarget.com login. This will take you to where you can type in your username, click Remember Me, and then click Next. And then you can type in your password and click Login. The second way to log in when you type in Marketing Cloud Login is to come down here to salesforce.com and click this Marketing Cloud-Salesforce link and come up here in the top right corner and hover over Other Logins and click Marketing Cloud. Then you're taken to where you can type in your username and your password just like I showed you before and click Login. I'll go ahead and click Login here. And now we're logged into our Marketing Cloud account. And that's how you log into Marketing Cloud.